Come test drive the 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, driver and front passenger heated seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.